The forecast here. We do see a little bit of activity on our WVTM 13 live Doppler. Here in Birmingham, we're doing okay right now.
Yeah, it's been a pretty stormy day for some areas, especially Talladega County, in big time storms rolled through Talladega, Sylacauga, Alpine, Childersburg. Now those are down to the south in Elmore County, and they're beginning to fizzle out a little bit. But new development here in Chilton County and Shelby County may get pretty heavy from time to time. We've seen a few downpours beginning to edge back into the city of Clanton after having been dry for most of the afternoon. Tremendous lightning from this cell that is just east of downtown Clanton, out Highway 22 over toward Lake Mitchell, close to Grace's Marina. In fact, a lightning bolt right there at the marina in the past 10 minutes. County Road 97, Chilton County Road 488 just getting pounded right now. And the heavy rain is coming down on downtown Clanton, Pinedale Road, and then down Highway 31 toward Walmart and down around Durbin Farms. Heavy storms beginning to develop across parts of Shelby County too, and as we watch these, they're going to be generally moving toward the southeast. But here's the issue with storms like these: they develop westward. So the movement is southeast, development is out toward the west. So this downpour that's just to the north of Maylene tracking toward Calera, but we may see continued development westward out toward northern Bibb County, out over the Cahaba National Wildlife Refuge, as well as over parts of Tuscaloosa County too. Now Talladega County, look at this. Radar estimating about 3 inches of rain, nearly 4 inches of rain between Talladega and Pell City, fairly close to the Stemley Road area. Now, some of that may be what we call hail contamination, because there was quite a bit of hail between Talladega and Alpine earlier. But now that all that has started to wind down, things are looking a little bit smoother for the rest of the evening. So look at this swirl that's down to our southwest over Texas and southern Louisiana. Almost looks tropical in nature. You've got this swirl that's located right there. As this moves toward the northeast tonight into tomorrow morning, watch what happens. We'll see some clouds come in, yes. That may block out the sun at times tomorrow, yes. There might even be some showers close to Demopolis and Forkland early tomorrow morning, but I don't expect a lot of rain until tomorrow afternoon. And just like today, some of these downpours are going to get really heavy with lots of lightning, heavy rain, potential for some hail or a wind gust over 50 miles per hour. That batch moves toward the northeast, and then another batch of scattered storms will come in Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So here's how things are going to work out for us. Some patchy fog, a partly to mostly cloudy sky in the morning. Up in the 80s again tomorrow. Some scattered thunderstorms are expected, but it will not storm equally everywhere, just like it has been today. Those who are getting it, well, you get a storm, but those of us who miss it, we're just watching it pass by over toward the left or to the right. Highs in the mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. And here's how it's going to work for the rest of the week. 7-day forecast, good chance of scattered storms on Thursday and Friday, but look at this, over the weekend, it starts to get a little hotter. Isolated storms both Saturday and Sunday. I do not expect a lot of rain around on Mother's Day. Monday and Tuesday of next week, a weak cool front gets close. Not much of a front, but it will be enough to stir up more storms by Monday and Tuesday. You're watching WVTM.